Hello everyone and welcome to Exness's Market Outlook. Here we're looking at a key possible idea for a trade this week and some of the narratives and data that might drive that idea within markets. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Manager, and joining me today to give his insights is Stanislav Bernichov, Trading Specialist. Thank you very much, Stan, for joining us.
Hello Michael, thank you for having me today.
What do you think, Stan, then, is the key idea? What is the trade that might be in view for many people for the next few days?
Well, I think that Bitcoin might be the good idea for this week because it's recovering from the consolidation last week and it shows a notable optimism today, breaking the consolidation and holding above 30,000 level, which is a psychological level. So we may see it moving up to the area between 35,000 and 36,000. So I'm looking forward for this idea this week.
Okay, and what do you think are some of the key narratives, or what do you think is the main narrative that is driving that possible movement upward by Bitcoin?
Sure. So the first narrative, which is new in the markets, is reopening of China. So we've seen that plan from Shanghai to be reopened. There's a 2-month plan basically, and the markets really liked it because it can actually boost economic growth and at least refocus traders on economic growth back again. And also, as we see that the fear level might diminish in the markets. So the fear and greed index of CNN was in extremely negative territory, and it might actually get back to neutral. And following that, we might see the pullback in the markets. I mean, stock markets and crypto markets. And don't forget that we're in a bear market right now, and the pullbacks in the bear market are extremely aggressive and extremely sharp. At least they might be. So that's the main narrative. Also, we see that we have a bunch of news in the calendar this week, not mentioning non-farm payrolls and unemployment on Friday, which is the most anticipated one. But also we have some Fed speakers scheduled for this week, and also European CPI and other news.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the key idea then for this week is Bitcoin possible buy, possible movement by Bitcoin back up to around 36,000, and that might be driven by the reopening of the fairly strict lockdowns that had been in place in Shanghai in China. And this week we've got quite an active economic calendar. We're looking particularly, of course, at American unemployment data on Friday, but also at speakers of the Fed, CPI from the Eurozone, and various other releases. So thanks very much indeed, Stan, for joining us to give us your idea and some of the factors behind it.
Thank you, Michael. Have a good trading week, everyone.
And we wish everybody successful and responsible trading.